Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. So basically in this video we are going to learn statics. So starting the statics with the help of the definition. So static is a branch that deals with every aspect of the data. So basically statics is used for working on the data. So statistical knowledge helps to choose the proper method of collecting the data and employ those samples in the correct analysis process in order to effectively produce the result. Okay. So basically, statics is used to choose the collecting of the data, and they are just for using the samples in the correct analysis process in order to effectively produce the result. So in short, static is a crucial process which helps to make the decision based on the data. I already see you. Statics is on for the data. So static is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing the data. So we have the definition of data. So facts or piece of information then can be measured. So this is the definition of data. Facts and information is the definition of data. So there are two types of statics. We have descriptive statics and inferential statics. So in the next we have descriptive statics. So it consists of organizing and summarizing data. So what is the definition of descriptive statics? It consists of organizing and summarizing data. So in the descriptive statics, we have measure of central tendency. So measure of central tendency are used to describe the center of a set of data. Basically, we have the data like in the data we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the center of the data? So we have 5 values. In the center we have 3. So this is the center of data. So you can see measure of central tendency says measure of central tendency are used to describe the center of the set of data. In our set of data, we are describing the central tendency. So these measures provide a single value that represent the central position of the data points. In statistics, there are three main measure central tendencies: mean, mode, and median. So we are starting with mean. So I will see you the example like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, sorry, 3 is the mean value. So you can see mean is the arithmetic average of set of number. It is calculated by adding up all of the numbers in the set and dividing by the number of values in the set. So I just give you example like we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So you can see the sum of these values are stored on the numerator and we are divided with these values like we have 5 values, so we are divided with 5, so we get 5.2. So the mean of the data set is 5.2. We are having another example like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value, so we are adding like 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so our output is we have 15 in the numerator and we are divided with this, so 5, so our output is 3. So the mean value of this data is 3. After this we have median value. So the median is the middle value in a set of data. To calculate the median, we first need to put the values in order. So we are sorting the data in this median finding. If there is an even number of values, so the median is the average of two middle values. For example, if we have the following set of data like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. The median would be 5. You can see we are sorting the data and we are deciding this is our median. But we had an even number of values like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So in this case, we are just the median would be the average of two middle values, which is in the case would 5 plus 7, because we have these two values are middle values. So 5 plus 7 is to be 12 and we are dividing with this 2, so we are getting 6. 6 is the median value. So the clear the concept of the median, we have even values, so we are dividing two middle values and adding two middle values and divide with 2, so we are getting the median of the particular data. If we have odd number of data, so we are finding easily mid value. So what is mode? The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set in a set of data. So what is the meaning of this definition? So if you are finding the mode value, so you can check how many times of the particular value are getting. So it is possible for a set of data to have multiple modes, like bimodal and multimodal. So for example, if we have the following set of data 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, the mode would be 5. Why 5? So we have 5 is to be 2 times. You can see we have 5 is to be 2 times. If 5 is to be 3 times, so 5 is the mode value. If there are no values that repeat, then there is no mode. Okay, so this is the example of mode. After that, we are just taking some takeaways, key takeaways. So middle of central tendencies provide a single value that represent the center of the set of data. I already give you the example of that. So the central tendency providing one value in the center of the data. So there are three main measure of central tendencies already we discussed: mean, mode, median, and also the mean is the arithmetic average of set of numbers. We already solved this with example. So the median is the middle value in a set of data. Okay, and the mode is total values that appears most frequently in a set of data, or they may be no more. So thank you. In the next video, we are learning about measure of dispersion. Thank you.